Hey guys, these are some of the features of the remote control. Um, Remember to take out the tab from your remote control. The tab is usually in here. So remember to take that off first. And so you can change this up to whatever color you want. White. These buttons up here. Here we go. These buttons up here will lower it down in dimness or raise it back up. So you can see a better color. Okay, so these will dim it down or bring it up. And then these bottom buttons, this is so it strobes in red, green, blue, and then back to red again. This one gives you the same effect, but with more different colors. And then your fade button will slowly fade it from one color to another. And with the strobe and the fade, you could lower down or higher up the speed. So if you wanted to go up higher, or if you wanted to fade it down slower, you would use these buttons. And again, that works for, it was just changing colors. You go faster or slower. And those are the features of the remote control.